Now Saltalamacchia hits it high and deep to right, and that ball is gone. Long home run right for Saltalamacchia that ties this game. Red Sox go back-to-back in the 6th inning, and how about that?
Well, I said peck away, Don. They pecked away. All of a sudden, they're bombing away. Ortiz followed by Saltalamacchia. It's like Saltalamacchia gets a slider that's going to be down and in, and that is a sweet spot right there for any left-handed hitter, and especially one who has power.
5th time this season the Red Sox have gone back